Irvin, aka Professor from WeBreak, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do a back rock. So what this move is going to do is going to allow you to have more mobility and vocabulary when you lay on your back. Because a lot of the times as b-boys and b-girls, we really like to do footwork on our hands and our feet and our toes, but sometimes we'll find ourselves on our back and we won't be able to have enough speed to go into, say, a power move or anything else like that. So what we have to do is do some footwork on our back. So the back rock is actually gonna look kind of like a CC, but on your back. So I'm gonna show you guys first. I'm gonna go like this, lay on my back, one leg up. So this is my right leg. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jump onto that foot, left foot up, and then I'm gonna jump back on. Yep, and switch my feet here. Okay, keeping your hips up, you're gonna jump over with your left foot and make sure that your hand touches to the side, right foot up, back, and switch. Cool? So the main thing is just having the hips up, because if they're on the ground like this, then obviously you're not gonna be able to back rock. We gotta make sure that the hips come up like that, okay? So with that being said, I'm just gonna show you guys the back rock. What you guys wanna do is really have the leg up and then go onto your shoulder and lift the hips up, okay? Sound good? Right here, it's 5, 6, 7, 8, jump. 1, switch back, 2, switch, 3, and then back again, 1, 2, 3. Cool? So I'm gonna turn on some music and then we can see how that rolls. Cool?